The large golden-yellow rock carried by the worker is natural sulfur freshly mined from a volcanic crater. It forms when sulfur-rich gases are released from magma activity, and under the crater's unique heat and pressure, chemical reactions cause sulfur to deposit. Pure sulfur itself is not highly toxic. In fact, pure elemental sulfur has no smell at all. Many everyday products we use contain sulfur, which is why miners can handle it with bare hands. But sulfur has a low melting and ignition point. Once it burns, it releases huge amounts of sulfur dioxide, a sharp, irritating, and poisonous gas. What's fascinating is that burning sulfur produces a bright blue flame. This happens because during combustion, sulfur atoms bond with oxygen and release energy. That energy emits light with wavelengths centered around 450 nanometers, the range of blue light, stronger than red or yellow. Without interference from other strong colors, our eyes see a pure blue flame. In an oxygen-rich environment, the effect is even more dramatic, attracting people who risk deadly gases just to witness it at the edge of a volcano. For the miners, however, this work is deadly. They earn barely a few dollars a day, and their average life expectancy is only around 50 years. In truth, volcanic sulfur mining is outdated. Today, most of the world's sulfur comes from oil and natural gas. Hydrogen sulfide extracted during drilling can be processed into pure elemental sulfur, reaching 99% purity, far cleaner than the rock mixed with sand and debris from volcanoes. That's why only a tiny fraction of sulfur today still comes from volcanic craters.